Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on February 1st. Space Shuttle Columbia disaster 2003. On February 1, 2003, the Space Shuttle Columbia broke apart while returning to Earth after a space mission. The disaster happened because the shuttle's heat shield was damaged during launch. As it re-entered Earth's atmosphere, the damage caused the shuttle to disintegrate over Texas. All 7 astronauts on board lost their lives, shocking people around the world. Columbia had been on a long mission studying Earth and space. The tragedy led NASA to make major improvements in spaceflight safety. Greensboro sit-ins begin 1960. On February 1, 1960, 4 black college students sat at a whites-only lunch counter in Greensboro, North Carolina. They politely asked for service but were refused because of segregation laws. Instead of leaving, they stayed seated as a peaceful protest. Their brave action inspired similar sit-ins across the southern United States. This movement became a key moment in the civil rights movement. It proved that nonviolent protest could help bring social change. Ayatollah Khomeini returns to Iran 1979. On February 1, 1979, Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini returned to Iran after living in exile for nearly 15 years. Millions of people welcomed him as a hero upon his arrival. His return marked a major moment in the Iranian Revolution. Soon after, the Shah's government collapsed, and Iran became an Islamic republic. Khomeini became the country's supreme leader. This event permanently changed Iran's political and social system. United Arab Republic is formed 1958. On February 1, 1958, Egypt and Syria joined together to create the United Arab Republic UAR. The union was meant to promote unity among Arab nations. Many people hoped it would lead to greater strength and cooperation in the Arab world. Although the partnership did not last long, it was a bold political experiment. Syria later withdrew from the union. Even so, the UAR remains a symbol of Arab nationalism and unity. Edward III becomes King of England 1327. On February 1, 1327, Edward III became King of England at just 14 years old. His father, Edward II, was forced to give up the throne by powerful nobles. Although Edward III was young, he later proved to be a strong and successful ruler. His reign included major military victories and increased England's influence. The change in leadership marked the beginning of a new chapter in English history. Edward III's rule shaped England for many years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.